Dean from Dean Property Team. When you come and visit 7 Westlake Drive at Mount Ommaney, you're going to be wowed by the location, sitting on an elevated 1,307 square metres of land. It's like living on acreage, but without the cost and maintenance. The 4-bed, 2-bath AV Jennings home has been meticulously maintained by its current owners, who are now downsizing after their family has grown up and moved on with their own lives. The property sits proudly on the large elevated block and on entry offers a very practical design. Master bedroom with its renovated ensuite away from the other rooms. This is a great layout for a family. As you move through the home, you will notice the spacious living areas and lounge, which has a cosy working fireplace. Plus there's a split system air conditioning in all key areas of the home. This all flows to a good sized family room adjacent to the renovated Caesarstone kitchen, which is a master chef's dream space, loads of cupboards and drawers. This all blends seamlessly to the outdoor sala, great space for all those family get-togethers. The big bonus is the in-ground saltwater pool, which also feels so private with absolutely no neighbours in view. You'll feel like you're living on a mini acreage.